What it do? I'm going to teach you guys how to load your mags, your 7x62 by 39 AK pistols or AK-47 magazines. I'm going to teach you how to load them up. As you can see here, I got some chambered in. Same over here. Yeah, it's fairly easy. See here, I got a full box of 76.2 by 39, 124 grain. Let that kind of load in there. There we go. 762 by 39. Alright, I'm using the Max Text. And essentially what you do is you want to get your mag, and see I already got some in there. But what you want to do, even if it's empty, you just want to take it and let that kind of, you want to just take it, put it right there, and just press down. Once you press down, then you kind of just like let it, make sure that it's like in place or whatever. See, and it just kind of fits right in there. Beautiful. Okay, you don't want to load. Oh, there it goes. Focus me, focus me, focus me. Focus me. Okay. So yeah, and then essentially you just do that. Let me get up out of this. Damn, that does not want to focus you. Alright, so boom. We got this. See, just like that. Just take the bullet. Press down. Boom, press down. It's just like in place. Slide it back, make sure that it's like all the way back there. And yeah, you just want to essentially just kind of repeat those steps. So just put it there, boom. I can keep going, I could do this all day long. That's it. This is 76.2 by 39. All you do is just press down. You just literally press down on it. And you will know when it's kind of funky. Like, if you feel like it don't really fit, you'll know it's kind of funky because it won't really, you'll see it kind of lean in a certain way, but whenever that happens, you just take it and just kind of just push back, just push it back, and then it'll like line up correctly. See, let me do a faulty one. See, so that's a faulty one. I'm saying it's fault, man, come on. Wow, there we go. You see how it's like not all the way up against the rail? And whenever it's like that, you just essentially just push it back into play. Okay? Now it's like in the right correct spot. Back up against it, you feel me? Just like that. I gotta figure out how to focus, bro. I cannot focus this shit. Like why you tryna do me like that, boy? Focus me. Are you serious? It really wants to be on dick. Oh wow. Interesting. No focus. It's just acting. Maybe I have to go like this. Ah. Alright. Can I get a focus one time? Bro, this shit wanna act cringy as fuck. Fuck it. But essentially that's how you do it, man. It's 76.2 by 39 ammo into a AK mag. Super simple. You just place it on top, press it with your thumb, and just press down. Press down and it just simply just locks in there. Super simple, super easy. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Sorry you guys, I couldn't get the focus right, but I know one thing that we went over how to really just load these mags though. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys, man. I appreciate it if you guys really hit that like button, subscribe. It really help out with the YouTube channel as I'm trying to grow. Talk about guns, play Fortnite, all this and all that. This is a dope channel. You guys will really like the content that I'm going to be putting out, so I really appreciate it if you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this vid, and I'll come back with more. Alright, peace. And I'm telling you.